Here's how you can customize your app icons in iOS 26. With your phone unlocked, tap and hold any app and choose Edit Home Screen. You can also do this by tapping and holding an empty space on your home screen. Look in the top left corner and choose Edit and then Customize. Now you can customize your app icons. Most of the options here will have a darker and lighter option or an automatic setting that switches between light and dark depending on the time of the day. The tinted option lets you choose any color for your app icons. You can even use the color picker to pick a color from your wallpaper, which is great if you'd like your app icons to match the look and feel of your wallpaper colors. Again, you can choose between light, dark, or automatic setting. And this top right toggle will switch between large app icons or the standard icons with text underneath. The dimmer on top left will dim your wallpaper if you want to give your screen a darker look. And if you want to make your app icons really pop, tap and hold an empty space on your screen, choose Edit again on the top left corner, and then choose Edit Wallpaper. You can change the wallpaper from here, but my personal favorite is the option to blur the wallpaper, making your app icons stand out more. So that's how you customize your apps in iOS 26. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.